length: head 1 to 100 mm, tail 1 to 100 mm. Processing of round sheath outer diameter: max peeling of round sheath with an outer diameter of up to 25 mm. Round sheath stripping length: wire head full stripping 1 to 500 mm, wire tail full stripping 1 to 300 mm. Max cross-sectional area for processing 2.5 to 185 square millimeters. BV hard wire max 120 square millimeters. BVR soft wire max 185 square millimeters. Stripping speed 1,500 to 2,000 pieces per hour. Length equal to 200 mm. High-speed steel blade, sharp edge, number on the cutting surface.